Hello, it's Catherine from my hillside garden. I found more pictures, and this is of the construction of our main garden bed. I wanted to give you an idea of what the dirt was like in our yard. I say dirt because before we moved here and I began to garden, no one did anything but cut the grass for 30 years. I told my husband I'd like a garden. I asked for a simple, easy raised bed, and he went out and bought a pallet of landscape bricks and built a garden. He carved out where they would go, and in my spare time I dug out all of the dirt behind and sifted it because it was all waste gravel, stone that the builder had filled our yard with. I wished I had taken more photos, as it looked like an old Western movie with all the gravel piles. On top of the gravel, he just layered perhaps an inch of topsoil. So after all the sifting and all the lifting and all the moving and all the building of the gravel piles, I was finally done. We then got a yard or two of topsoil, which we learned now was probably not the best thing to use, and I had slowly brought that up the stairs and into the backyard from the driveway. And as you can see, it was an awful lot of work, and I think it took me about 3 weeks to just move all the dirt. So after the garden was finally built and the soil was placed, we had a lovely garden. My husband used lattice to make the fencing because we had a dog, and we still have a dog, different dog though, for the garden. And I basically did square foot gardening. I'd like to thank you for joining me today, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and follow me on my 2018 gardening journey. Have a great day and happy gardening.